Hey, I'm Fish. I found an issue and concern, and I made a video so all could know about the problem. And once again, I'm the only one that's reporting the issue and the problem, and Extra wants the serial number, wants the video link, and wants it all. Well, it's out there for them. They could go look, see it, and get it resolved for you. I'm the one who brought the video to the company of the door that got DJI to get a new one for all. I am the one who brought the timer shooting on the DJI with the video as well to show all that one as well. And here we are all over again with the same problem with Extra. How sweet is that? I'm overly helpful. How sweet is that? Well, this time, I'm not going to be overly helpful. You got YouTube and you got TikTok to thank. Because if this video don't take off viral, it ain't going to show. It ain't going to help. And nothing's going to happen. So I'm going to do what I do best, and I'm going to live stream over and over to maybe one day they can see. I stopped off. I got my bagels. There they are. Cannot miss those bagels, man. Now, where was I talking? Well, you know, DJI Pocket 4, $424 on sale. It has a $90 off coupon. In the US, about 2-week purchase, shipping free. But you gotta pay tax. No warranty for the reasons of, we're in the US of A. But hey, you may never know. So what I am really thinking and thinking hard, if the Extra Muse 2 comes out, will it be that price? Will you get one? And how long will that price be or get for? That's the real question. They had all this time to make it water resistant, did they not? But they want to change the screen to flip like this, not a regular flip screen. So that's going to be a big problem, if asked. But is it really worth the upgrade? You get internal storage, 103 gig, not 128. Of course, 26 gig, 25 gig is dedicated to firmware. Everything that you see on the market of the DJI Pocket 4 is everything that the Extra Muse 2 is going to be. It just reminds me of a Pontiac Trans Am and a Chevrolet Camaro. Man, oh man, I don't think there's going to be any difference. For me, the Fish, just me alone, I don't think I'm going to be with an Extra Muse 2 today or a Pocket 4 tomorrow. And I'm just going to hold on off till I see if it's the right time for me. I got the Muse. It works. It does everything I want it to. So what would one extra or two extra things do for me? Make me the best cameraman in the world? I think not. Well, you know who I am. I'm the Fish. The Fish with a camera. And on that note, I'll see you on the next one. Later.